If you ever said to yourself, you know, I want to make money online, but I don't want my life to revolve around social media. Yeah, you in the right place, honey. Okay. So I am building this channel, and this is not about hustle culture. This is what I call the quiet income school. So school is in session, honey. And here we're going to explore the calm ways, the soft ways to make money online. Okay? Let's get it. Let's go. Hey girl, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, we're going to talk about building what I call a soft life business through quiet income streams. Yeah, so what that means is that means income that comes from digital assets, resources, and opportunities that just keep working over time. And today, I want to officially welcome you to the Quiet Income School. And I'm going to explain what I am, my vision for this YouTube channel and what I want it to be. Okay. So when I first started building online income, I did what everybody else did. I started chasing the fast strategies, honey, posting every day, showing up everywhere, trying every platform, because you got that fear of missing out. Yeah. And for a season, please know that those things work. Okay, so I'm not bashing what it works, but over time, I realized something about me, not about the strategy, but me. I'm a long term thinker. So I don't just want money today. I want it today, but I also want to build things that still work for me years from now, even past me. So I want to create a body of work. That's how I view this. My videos, my books, my digital products, my resources. And these are things that someone can discover even in 2030. Okay. So like even 5 years from now, and they can still learn from it. And that mindset right there is what led me to really create this space. Okay, because I realized that there was something very, very important when it comes to this online space, and that a lot of women, especially my age, 40 plus, we want to make money online, but they don't know where to start, and they don't want to live on social media all day either. Okay, so what I know about you is that you want something calmer, you want something sustainable, right? Something that actually fits your life. And that's where I was like, you know what? Let's create the quiet income school. And this is where the quiet income school comes in at. So this is my area where you can get your pen and paper and you can sit down and you can learn with your girl. So what is quiet income school? Okay. Quiet Income School is a place right here on my YouTube channel where we will explore different ways that you can build income online without all that chaos. Okay. Now, this is not get rich quick. Okay. I'm just sharing real opportunities, I'm sharing resources, and I'm also going to share strategies. I want you to think of this channel like a resource hub. Okay. A place where I research, I test, and I share things that actually help me to build income. Okay. Because listen, my role here is not to be a guru. Okay. My role is just to be a researcher. I'm a curator and I'm a guide for you. I'm going to test things out. I learn about the platforms and using them, and I explore the resources, and then I bring the best ones here, okay? So you can decide for yourself if it fits your life and where you're going and your vision and all those great things. So you make the decision for yourself. I want to run down for you the type of income that we're going to talk about on this channel, okay? We're going to talk about several different income paths because there are many. There's a lot of them that I explore for myself. Most all of them I have. So yeah. Okay. So for example, like digital assets, I say that a lot. Now this is a big one for me. Digital assets are things that you create once that can continue working for you. So I'm talking about YouTube videos, you see here, books, digital products, blog posts, Pinterest content. These things can live on for years. And I'm not talking about hours, okay? I'm talking about years. And this is so very powerful. So very powerful. We're also going to talk about one of my favorite is affiliate income. That's another quiet income path that many people aren't talking about. And that just simply means you're recommending tools, resources, or platforms that I already use, okay, or that you already use. So when someone uses my link, you earn commission. It's one of those simple online income models, but it works best when it's done honestly, okay, and with the right resources. All right. We're also going to talk about digital products, of course. That's another path that I absolutely love. So, and I'm talking, when I say digital products, I'm thinking things like guides, templates, workbooks, like little small courses, like four video module courses. And digital products are so very powerful. I love them because you can just create them one time and you can sell them over and over again. And then listen, you don't even have to create them, honey. Right? There are resources out there that are already created. You just buy them and then you can sell them. Okay, it's another side of affiliate marketing that you can participate in, and a lot of women just are not aware. That's why I'm doing this on my channel, building this quiet income school, because I need you to be aware that this thing's out here, and there are women out here making thousands of dollars just from recommending somebody else's products. Like, you don't have to create, do any of that. Like, every time I think about it, it just get gooder and gooder. I love it. All right, so we're also going to talk about on this channel, we're going to talk a little bit about the Amazon influencer income as well. That's kind of new for me, and I like it so far. This is where you can create simple product videos. You can earn commission when people buy on the Amazon platform. There's no need for you to post on social media. So that's another example of how content can turn into income, okay? We're also going to on this channel, sometimes I'm going to introduce you to different programs and resources that can help you learn new skills. Okay. I'm talking things like digital marketing education platforms, communities, tools. But when I share those things, it always comes from this perspective. Like, I'm always going to come and say, hey, here's a resource I found that might help you. Okay. That's just it. It's not about me just reselling something. It's like it helped me, I want it to help you. To me, that's very calm, very transparent, and it's just information that I'm sharing. So it's still another level of affiliate income. I don't want to say another level. It is affiliate income. Okay. I found communities. I found courses. And I'm talking about found them that they are a great source. Like, they are great at learning skills. I feel like when you learn skills, especially online, there's so many things you can do online. But this, to me, is the more you learn, the more up level your skills, the more valuable you become, and the more money you make too. The way this channel works is very, very simple. You know, I like simplicity. So each video usually follows a pattern. So first we'll talk about, problems that, many of us as women we face. So maybe it's not knowing where to start online, if you're feeling overwhelmed by social media, wanting income, but also wanting to have that peace, that balance in your life. And then we're going to also explore opportunities. So that might be a program. It might be a strategy. It might be a certain income model that resonates with you. Then what I'll do is I'll break it down. So I'll break down what it is, who it's for, so you'll know if it's for you or not, what skill it teaches, because I'm all about skills, and how it can actually create income for you, because you need to get to the bag, okay? And then I'll give my perspective. Okay. Of course, I'm going to always share with you, how it fits my own quiet income strategy. And if it's something like you want to explore, then I'll link the resource for you. That's it. Okay. That's simple. Keeping it very transparent on where I am and how I feel about things and where they fit in my own business. Okay. So I like sharing that, because some of you say you love that too. So it gets you to thinking. But the bigger vision behind this quiet income school is really something deeper for me. I really want this channel to become a search engine for opportunities. Yes, so that means women will search on YouTube for things like online income for beginners, digital product ideas, affiliate marketing for beginners, Amazon influencer income. They will find these videos. They will learn something helpful, and then they will have a resource to move forward. To me, that's how a quiet ecosystem grows. And I love that. I absolutely love that. And I love this direction that I'm going in. I love this model, for 4 reasons. Let me give you 4. First of all, I'm never going to run out of content ideas. Okay. Second, there are always going to be new platforms, new tools, new strategies. And second, one video can create multiple income streams. Okay. I'm talking YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, digital products, memberships. And the third thing, I want to build trust. This is going to build trust because women begin to see myself as someone that finds good resources. And that's what I love. I'm a resourceful person. And the last thing, the fourth thing, this model really fits my personality too. Like I love to research. I love strategy. I love publishing. And I don't want to be on social media all day. Y'all know how I feel about that. So this approach right here allows me to build a business in a way that I absolutely love, that I don't mind coming to every day, and a way for me to give back, a way for me to, so nobody can say that Sharlrita is a gatekeeper. Okay. Nobody can say I don't learn. So I really sat with that over the last couple of weeks and said, okay, Sharlrita, really want to be a resource. That's one thing that people can say about me, that I'm very resourceful, that I don't gatekeep. I'm very much the type of person, I'm going to tell you what to do, but then I'm going to put the ball back in your court. Okay, I'm going to tell you what to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Meaning, I'm going to give you the resource that you need to do what you need to do. No beating out around the bush. No trying to just sell you something just to sell you something. If you say, hey, Sharlrita, I really want to build a faceless brand, I really, really, really want to do that. That's like my goal for this year. I got a resource for you. Okay. But it's up to you. You got to plug in. You got to do the work to make it happen. I'm just here to give you the resource. I'm just here to say, hey, honey, this is what you need right here. Get what you need. This channel is a place where women can learn about quiet income streams, digital opportunities, platforms, tools that make things so super, super simple, business strategy. Okay. I don't do that hustling. Certainly don't do no hype. Okay. This is about building income calmly, one asset at a time. This is not about teaching you how to just get rich quick. Okay. So if this is the kind of business model that resonates with you, I want you to go ahead and subscribe, because here on this channel, we are going to continue to discover these different income paths. We're going to create digital assets, platforms. I'm going to give you the resources that's going to really help you to move forward. Okay. I love to know in the comments, talk to me. What kind of quiet income are you curious about? Okay. You like digital products, affiliate income, or you might be an Amazon influencer girly. Let me know. I want to hear from you. You know, I like chatting with y'all, and I respond to every comment. Okay. I love to respond to you guys. Okay. So I appreciate you for being here, girl. I want to welcome you to the Quiet Income School YouTube channel. I'm really so glad that you found this space. I'm glad that you are here. And I pray that you get a lot of things from this channel. And, I have some videos that you can binge watch, so you're new here, see my teaching style and all those great things. But I'm excited. I'm excited about this direction. And of course, you can go to life.This.com. I'm going to be listing a lot of the resources that I'm talking about here on this channel. So yeah, so you can kind of get a heads up there. yeah, I am very, very excited. All right. So don't forget to chat in the comments. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Okay, girl? Bye, girl.